So this is our video for Chapter 8, Lesson 5. This is the volume of pyramids. Really fast video because it's not much different than the volume of prisms. So let's start with a little vocab. This is all review. A pyramid has only one base. Oops. So a pyramid only has one base, and it comes to a point. Remember, a prism has two bases, and that's you'd have one base across from the other base. When we take away one of those bases and bring all the sides into a point, now it's called a pyramid. Pyramid has triangular sides. That's how they come up and form that point. Sides are also called lateral faces. This is just a term that I want you to get used to for high school geometry. Okay, last but not least, the formula is V equals base times height divided by 3. Okay, big B, that's the area of the base times the height, and then we divide our final answer by 3. So I just want to show you this picture. This is one that some people got wrong on the last test. This is a pyramid, yes it is, but it's a special kind of pyramid. It's called a triangular pyramid because the base shape is a triangle. Okay, so it's a triangle, and then all the sides are triangles as well. So every side's a triangle, which makes it a triangular pyramid. A lot of people wrote just a pyramid. Some people wrote tetrahedron, which is also technically correct, but the name that fits us best for Chapter 8 is triangular pyramid. All right, so let's do one example problem, and that's all this should take. So remember, when you're finding the volume of a pyramid or a prism, the first thing we have to find is big B. Big B is the area of the base shape. So in this pyramid right here, the base is a rectangle, and that rectangle is 9 inches by 12 inches. So we'll find the area of the base first. Area of the base is base times height because it's a rectangle. So 9 times 12 is 108. And remember, this is area, so it's square inches. All right, so that is our big B number. I'm going to put that up here in big B, 108 square inches. And that's great, but that really only tells us about this shape down here, which is a rectangle. It looks like a parallelogram because of the perspective, but if we were to look at it from the bottom, you'd see it's just a rectangle. All right, so I'm going to clear out that blue shape down there. Next, we have to use our formula, V equals big B, so that number we just found, times H, which is the height of the pyramid. Height of the pyramid starts at the base and goes to the point. And don't forget to divide by 3 at the end. Okay, that's what people forget here. This is the piece 7th graders tend to forget. So big B is 108. The area of the base is 108 square inches. The height is the distance between the base and the point. That's 15 inches. And we will take that, multiply, and divide by 3. So 108 times 15, I'm going to cheat and use my calculator here really fast. 108 times 15 is 1,620. Don't forget to divide by 3. I'm running out of room, so I'm just going to work to the right here. And when we divide by 3, we get 540. Now this is volume, no longer area, so it's not square inches anymore. Now it is cubic inches. And you know what that means. That means it is a cube. Oops. A cube that measures 1 inch on all sides. Okay, so that would be 1 cubic inch. All these guys are 1 inch. And what we would do is we would stack them. We would kind of lay them on top of each other and all around without any gaps between them, and we'd fill up that triangular pyramid. So 540 of those it would take to fill up that pyramid. Okay, 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch. So final answer for my volume is 540 cubic inches. This is the final answer here. The volume is your final answer. Big B is just there to kind of help us along. Okay, so the only thing new here is that the new formula is V equals big B divided by big B times H divided by 3, and that's the volume of a pyramid.